How to find rapid growth notification settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find rapid growth notification settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner and now click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and go down until you find this one, level notifications. Click on it and here you will find rapid growth. Then just you can manage it, turn it off or on just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.